Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Milwaukee drill on the market, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18 volts lithium-ion brushless cordless 1/2-inch drill driver. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor, this tool is designed to give you everything you need to get the job done. Let's start with the standout feature of this drill, its powerful performance. The M18 Fuel drill is equipped with the POWERSTATE brushless motor, which delivers the power to complete a wide range of applications effortlessly. This is the motor that ensures top-notch efficiency and longevity, so you won't have to worry about it slowing down under heavy load. Plus, with a maximum speed of 2,100 RPM, it makes quick work of drilling through tough materials. When it comes to precision and control, this drill excels with its mechanical clutch. This feature ensures consistency when driving different types of fasteners, so you can be confident in the results. Whether you're working with wood, metal, or masonry, the clutch provides the versatility you need for every task. And let's not forget about the auto stop control mode, which adds an extra layer of safety, stopping the tool in case of an overload to prevent any accidents. For those working in low light conditions, the built-in LED light is a game changer. It illuminates your work area, making it easier to focus on the task at hand without straining your eyes. It's a small touch that makes a big difference, especially when you're working in dark corners or tight spaces. The M18 Fuel drill is designed with comfort in mind as well. Its compact size and ergonomic handle reduce fatigue, allowing you to work for longer periods without discomfort. And despite its power, it's surprisingly lightweight, making it easy to carry around the job site or keep it in your tool bag for on-the-go use. However, it's important to note that this is a tool-only model, meaning it doesn't come with a battery or charger. But if you already have Milwaukee M18 batteries, this is the perfect addition to your collection. Overall, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel drill driver is a must-have tool for anyone serious about getting the job done right. With its brushless motor, high-speed performance, mechanical clutch, and thoughtful features like the LED light, this drill offers unmatched power, precision, and comfort. If you're looking for a tool that can handle any job, whether big or small, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel is the drill you need. Be sure to check it out and see for yourself why it's one of the best drills on the market. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one.